guys! On this video, I'm going to show you how to start your Adobe Illustrator by making this simple shapes. Now this is a lot here, so I don't know until when I'm going to stop this video, but later on my next video, I will show you how to make the rest of this, okay? Because this is a lot, and not only this one, but also this one, this is also, okay, so this is the sticker. So later on, you will know how to make logo. This is the initial of my name. And this one also the text. And this is the patrons. So later on, you will know how to make this one, and we will put it here. Okay? You see that? So I make this own, how to say it, colors or design. And then I put it here. So if I make shapes with this pattern, I just click it here. Okay. And this one also invitation card. So later on you will learn how to do this. I'm going to show you the layers. It's actually from Google. How to say this? The picture, and then I make it like this. I use this pen here, and then I use the live paint. So later on I will show you how to do that. And also a map, like for example your invitation card, you put address and you want to specify where is your address, you can put that at the back of your invitation card. In here also, this one, I will, for the layer, the picture is actually from Google also. So I download it, and then I use a chroming pen or the normal pen, and then I use a live paint. So this is what happened. Okay, so this is the Victor, and this is so that you will see the difference of pixels. Wait, I'm going to use, see, these are the pixels. So, and then from pixels I transform it into Victor form. Okay, but there are more. I will show you later, and we will start now. Okay, so I will close this one. So we will open the Adobe Illustrator, and here you can change the screen of your Illustrator by going here to Illustrator, Preferences, User Interface. For the PC user, you can search here, Edit, and then below you can find the Preferences. Or the rest of you, if you cannot find it, you can search it on Google, the difference of the MacBook Air keyboard, because I'm using MacBook Air, and PCs. Okay, now Preferences, User Interface. So you can choose this one if you like, but it's too light for me. It hurts on my eyes, so I prefer this one. And the dark also, it's too much. I mean, it's high resolution, so I will prefer the dark gray and then create new and then print. Later on, I will show you when are we going to use this one here. And then A4 and then title, let's say for example shapes, and then for the points, millimeters, at ease, portrait, we will use portrait, and then artboards, only one. This stands for the page of your artboard. And then for the bleed, the standard 3 millimeters. And then here we will use RGB color. If you like the explanation of this, you can search it on Google also, okay? But for the simple explanation, RGB is for the people working on screen, like web designer, video maker, films maker, and also this is what we use for the normal printer at home. And the CMYK is for the big printers, for big companies. This stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Okay, now let's create. And then here, for the rest of you, if you cannot find the tools here like this, you can go here on the top and then Essentials Classic or Reset Essentials Classic. Okay, now here for example, the swatches, the stroke, the thickness of the lines that you are going to use. Also, what else? Library properties. So if you like to put it one like this, you can do it also. So if you take it like that and then you accidentally X and then you lose it, you just go here and click Reset Essentials Classic, and then voila, you will find it again here. And then here also, if you like to have a wider screen, so you can do it like that also. Okay, now first thing we have to do is to use the rectangle tool. I will do it like that. Yeah, this one. When you long press it, you see this one? It means there's still something on this rectangle tool. So when you press it, long press, you see there's still different shapes. So we will use this one, rectangle tool, and we will make a rectangle like that. Now you see that pink marks. If you don't have this one, you can press Command U. Okay, you see it's gone because I press the Command U, and then if I press it again, Command U, then it's back. Okay, now some of you cannot find it in your keyboards. You can go here on View, and then you can find it here. You have to check the Smart Guides. You see the shortcut is Command U. Okay, now here if you want to make square, you have to press shift, okay, to make a perfect square. Now, if you want to make a rectangle on the center, you have to press Alt. You see? Although it's not really on the center, but at least almost. Okay. And then let go, but still clicking on the Alt. And then we will put it. Oops. Okay, on the center. We will make another here. Shift square. Okay, a perfect square. If you like to redo and undo the same thing on Photoshop and InDesign, Command Z or Command Shift Z. Okay, another way of making square or rectangle is that when you click here and then you click on this side here, for example, in the format, this will come out and we will change this, for example, 50. Okay, and this one, let's say 60. Okay, and we will press OK. You see? Now we will choose we will use the selection tool, this one, and I will click here on the side. Selection tool, you can use it to move an object, okay? And also, you can use it to resize. You see? Command Z. And if you use also Shift, you click Shift plus you click it, both sides of your objects will be proportion. Okay, so when the other side will move, the other sides also will move or becomes bigger. Okay, now when you click this one and then you click the other object with Shift, you see, you can choose or you can select all of it. Yeah. Now if you click Shift and then you click this one, you unselect one of the object. Yeah. And then if you press also Command A, it means you select all. Okay. Now, when you click this one plus Alt, let's say Alt or Option, you copy the object. Okay. And also, when you see this one, it's rotate. Yeah. When you click Shift, see, it's every 45 degree, I think, it will rotate. Without Shift, you can freely rotate it wherever you like. Okay. Now, this one also, when you click Alt or Option, You see, you can change the shape of the object, but the object remains on the middle where the object is. Okay, so we will put it like that. So another thing you can use for Alt is to copy and to change the shape. Then let's click Shift. Okay, perfect square. Okay. Now we'll put here, and then we will press again the Alt, and then Command D. Yeah. So to make it multiple shapes or to copy multiple objects, okay? Now, if you double click also the selection tool, cancel. I will click this one, and then I will double click the selection tool, okay? Now here, let's change it to 10, for example. And then for the vertical, let's change it to 0. And for the distance, at least 10. And you see here the preview, we will uncheck, okay, so that you will see. And then here, let's try to make it negative, okay. And then we will click this one, preview and preview, okay. Now we will click copy, because when you click the OK, this thing here will be gone, okay. So we will click copy because we will going to copy this object here, okay. Copy, and then Command D. You see that? Okay, so I think that's all for now, guys. So next time I will show you the rest of the shapes and the functions of each tools, okay? So that's all for now, and please don't forget to subscribe and click like. Bye.